All right, quick little tutorial on how to change out one of these little guys. Your little sprayers for your windshield wiper fluid. So you see they usually sit on top of your hood. I removed the old one, it just pops out. It's just got these two clips. And so you're probably gonna have to take out some of your insulation on your roof with these clips on here. They're just pop clips. And you'll have access then to the hole. And it's just a little line, just like a sprinkler line or something. So all I'm gonna do is take this one and fish it through. Snap it in like that. There it is. And then this piece just slides right over that. That's all there is to it. You can buy them for a couple dollars on the Jungle site. Here's the old one, just snapped. These are, I don't know, these are just cheapos, China made. And it should be good to go. And then we're just gonna put our insulation back in. Sometimes there's little spots where it slides in. Put our pop rivet back in, kind of like that. Done. Super easy. So what happens with these, sometimes the inserts will pop out. Well, they'll get clogged over the years. And so it's just easier just to replace it. Okay, let's replace the other side while we're at it. See, there it is. There's our cap. We should be able to just pinch this. Okay, I'm gonna pinch this. There it goes. There it is. All right, just reverse it. We're just gonna angle it and it should snap. Make sure it's in there, try to pull it back out. Looks good. And then once you hook up your water line again, I'm gonna go ahead and try it out and make sure it works before I button up everything. And that's all there is to it. All right, let's start it up. Should get